Hello guys, it's your one and only boy King Dollar Furnitures on this one. Here we are paneling our work caravan. This is an office. As you can see, this is our job here. This is my team. These are my team. As you can see, we love doing neat jobs. As for this space here, we will add something else to make it look unique. That's why you can see this space, and this is our window. I'm coming. Okay, let's see. Yes, first that would put. Okay, thank you guys. See y'all later. Base deals. We need more deals. Bring more deals for your boy. Thank you. Love you all.